Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, maybe you even know about this app that I'm going to tell you, but for the ones that doesn't know that Medium is there as an app too, so this one is for you guys. So as you might know, Medium is sharing a lot of information about technology and about a lot of things, right? So we are having this app, we're downloading it, and we don't need to use the website anymore. So what we're gonna do now, we can sign up. If you already have an account, you can sign in by here. As you can see under the options as sign up with Google, Facebook, email, there's sign in. We're gonna sign up with Facebook today. Yes, I have just signed up with my Facebook, and now we're gonna select at least 3 topics to personalize our story stream. I'm gonna go art, LGBTQIA, artificial intelligence, music, iOS dev, film, neuroscience. There's a lot of things. Lifestyle, photography, relationships, design, sexuality, humor, religion, education, corona, comics, race, mental health. These are in travel, mindfulness also. I'm gonna click next at the top right upper corner. And as you can see, this is my daily read. So, and it's the good thing is there's also this, like, for example, how to identify a smart person in 3 minutes. It's by Nicholas Goke. And also next to the writer itself, it's saying how many minutes it would take for me to read that article, which is saying 3 minutes, or 500 360 AD, the worst year in history. Let's click on that, and it's because it's saying 2 minutes read. And let's see if it's correct. The worst year in history. Scholars and researchers agree on the year that was worse than any other. 2020 has already been immortalized. It is a year that nobody will forget. However, when speaking of the worst year recorded in human history, there are many to choose from. So, the year 1349 saw the Black Death kill half the population of Europe. In 1520, smallpox ravaged Americans and killed between 60 and 90% of the continent's original inhabitants. So, the rise of Hitler in 1933 is often claimed to be the turning point in modern history. However, historians are anonymous in their choice. The title of the worst year in history is easily held by the year 536 AD. So, as you can see, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna take only like 2 minutes, and I can actually keep reading, but there is no need for that. And also under that, we see how many claps it has. It has 32,504 claps, as you can see from here. And when we click these 3 buttons, we have the option to report it. We can mute this other. Maybe we don't like their content, or mute this publication, or we can actually follow Samir Ansari, who published this article, or we can it's published in Lessons from History. We can also follow that one. And once we go down, we also have the other ones, but let's assume that we don't have the time to read them right now. So we have this option. As you can see, the image of the article, and under it we have this bookmark. So we can click, and as you can see, it is bookmarked. Even this one that we just read, we have under right here, we can choose the font size, as you can see, or make it like this, default font size, or we can give it clips. As you can see, we can bookmark it or share this with other people. Let's go back, and as you can see, we have a lot of them. We can see from here. We also have some topics for us: technology, science, business. We can just see like this. We can see the popular on Medium. We can see a lot of things, right? You can just keep going down and you will find a lot of articles to read actually. So for now, let's go to this hamburger menu. Let's click there. We have audio. These audio articles, you click and you actually listen to them and you don't need to read them. We can create a reading list. Right now we don't have any of them, but as you can see, it's showing us how to use it, so we can also see it. For example, I have saved 2 of them as bookmarked. You see, recently we read, I can have the highlights. So we can change our interest from here actually. We can add art, beauty, culture books. We can have people that to follow from here, and we can also follow publications. So I actually liked it very much, and we can become a member. We have the star stories. Let's see, what are these? We don't have any of them because we haven't published anything. We have settings right here next to the icon at the bottom, or we can view help, and also on the top we have our profile. We can view our profile, and from these 3 vertical dots we can edit our profile, such as we can change our name, we can enter a short bio, and we can also choose an image to change our profile picture. So I'd like to ask you one question. Please don't forget to comment your answer. So what do you think, what made 2020 the worst year of your life? Because I'm assuming like this could be worst year of a lot of people. That's why I'm asking, what made 2020 this worst for you? So let me know in the comments, and please do not forget to hit the like button because I want to keep helping you guys. I want to keep showing more and more information, a lot of better apps. So don't forget to like the video so I can keep creating this content. Also, do not forget to hit the subscription button too, so we can see each other in my next videos. I can see you guys down there in the comments, and you can see me guys creating this content and sharing those things with you. So by the way, if you have any suggestions, you also should let me know in the comments. Don't forget that one too. Of course, your answers and the suggestions. Now I would like to say see you guys in my next video.